What's up everyone, welcome back to the Alpha One982, your YouTube paracord community. Today we're gonna create this awesome paracord project designed by Elena Polkanova. So go ahead and check Elena or Elena as you wish on the Instagram. I post the link down below in the description of this video. Also, if you want to learn how to create this 4-strand paracord bracelet core with 2 working ends in 2 colors, you have full tutorial in the top right corner in the information cards where I'm pointing right now. So go ahead and check that out. And if you want to learn how to create this awesome paracord bracelet, the tutorial how to create it is again in the cards in the top right corner. So now that being said, let me just zoom a bit so you can clearly see what we're gonna do. And now I'm gonna take the right strand cord, the gray one, and make it on top of the bracelet core, and then around, and from the back side we're gonna make it pass through the gap between first and the second bracelet core strand from the left side. So pull it through, and you will see we have the clear loop around the 3 bracelet core strands, and we're gonna exit in between the first and the second core strand. Now we're gonna take the right strand cord, the lake blue, and make it from the top into the same gap between first and the second core strand from the left side, and then to the back, around, and from the back side through the loop on the right side, like so. Now pull it, and we're gonna tighten it well up, cinch it, and we're gonna continue. Now from here we're gonna take the right strand, make it on top of the bracelet core strands, and then to the back, around, and from the back side through the gap between second and the first core strand from the right side. So in the gap between first and the second core strand from the right, and to the side, and with the gray one or the left cord from the top into the gap between first and the second core strand, to the back, around, and through the loop on the left side. So those are 2 basic weaves for today's project. Now we're gonna tighten it well and cinch it. And again, left strand around and through the gap between first and the second core strand, and then to the side. So we're gonna create the loop around those 3 core strands, so the second, third, and the fourth from the left side. Now with the right strand cord we're gonna enter from the top side into the gap between first and the second core strand, and then around from the back through the loop on the right side and through. So when we've done this, we're gonna tighten it up, firm the knots, secure it, and continue. Now we're gonna take the right strand and make it around on the top, around, and again from the back side through the gap between first and the second core strand, but this time from the right side. So with the gray one we're gonna make it from the top into the gap between first and the second core strand from the right side, and then around and through the loop on the left. Now when we done this, we're gonna tighten it, cinch it, and we're gonna continue. So as you can see here, we reach almost the end of Paracord project. We have those two ends of a cord left to tuck into the bracelet. So I'm gonna take the feed and insert it between the lake blue paracord, those two strands of a bracelet core in the color of a lake blue. And with the lake blue I'm gonna entering from the top into the gap between two gray core strands. But as you can see here, this combination is not so good looking as it should be, and we're gonna create another pass with the gray. So we're gonna leave the lake blue into the loop on the left side, but this time we're gonna take the gray paracord and make it on top of this lake blue paracord, as you can see here. So pull this through, make it tight, and then take the gray paracord and insert it into the gap between those two core strands in the lake blue color. So pull it and make it tight. I think this looks better than the first combination we did. Now we're gonna detach the paracord bracelet from the jig, and we're gonna cut off the excess of a cord, melt it down, and continue. I'm gonna speed a bit so you won't lose your time. As you can see, this is very nice and very neat paracord design. So as you can see, we finished our today's project. It's very nice and very good looking paracord bracelet. Many thanks to the designer of this bracelet, Elena Polkanova. I hope that you like this video, this tutorial. If you find it interesting and if you find any value on it, please consider subscribing, leave a like, share this video with your friends and the family, and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new content. As I always said, I wish you just best. Stay safe, be well, and see you soon in the next tutorial. Bye!